important to know some basics.
Yeah. Because we think when you are a man, maybe it's easier to kick someone, at. But when you are a woman, it's maybe I don't want to speak in a gender,
Exactly.
but
But.
yeah. So I think it's good to know what you can do with the body of your opponent. And so you need to have some skills.
Yeah.
And I wanted to say some keys like.
No, keys. Llaves.
Yeah, but
Skills.
I wanted to say necesitas tener, because in French we say you need to have some keys to know how to use that or to know how to.
Keys,
I don't know
yeah.
if we can say.
Well, in Spanish you say key. Una llave. In English we say key. We say grapple techniques, or some skills. Que son unas habilidades.
Okay. So yeah, of course, I think it's very necessary to a woman to know to have some self-defense skills.
Yeah, habilidades.
Yeah, and it's much better, yeah, when you learn about that young.
Yeah, of course. When at a young age.
Yeah.
At a young age.
At a young age.
At a young age.
Yeah.
All right. You want to add anything else about that?
No, if I think about it, yes, I could have things. I think I said already a lot of
things. Okay. So you want to say now we're going to pass with another.
Okay. What you want to speak about?
I don't care. We can either talk about that, or we can change or pass to another subject. For example, healthy diet. What do you prefer?
What is the next?
What do you prefer? Healthy diet or
healthy diet?
Healthy. Healthy is a healthy or not
healthy? Healthy.
Health.
Yeah.
It's a saludable.
Sí.
Or martial arts, but always.
I think I said maybe enough about martial arts.
Very good. So what do you think about health?
Healthy. Me, I am.
Te tienes que morder. Healthy. Si no, no la
Healthy.
Healthy.
But for me, it's like I have a problem when I want to pronounce that.
Yes.
It's
like. Te tienes que morder la lengua. Si no, no te sale.
Healthy.
A veces yo me muerdo, la lengua. Sí, a veces. Porque hace tanta.
Say.
Que me muerdo. Te tienes que morder.
Healthy. Like that? Healthy?
Healthy. Como hell, como el demonio, como el infierno, hell. Sí.
Yeah.
Como el demonio.
In English is something I don't like to pronounce. Because for French people, for example, maybe Spanish is the same, it's not natural at all, and it's like you have a problem if you do a sound like that.
But it's actually not so.
Yeah, it's very.
English is like that, you cannot help
it.
Yeah. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, of course. Also, yes. Also, is very. It is very important to eat healthy.
To live
healthy.
Yes. Healthy. No healthy. Si comes es healthy. ¿Lo sabes o no?
No.
Healthy. Creo, Yo diría que sí, pero a lo mejor me estoy colando. A ver. Sí. Maravilloso.
Healthily.
Eat healthily. Eat healthily. Comer saludablemente. Posadamente. ¿No?
Healthily.
Eso sería comer saludablemente. Pero has puesto eat.
¿Qué?
Eat healthily.
It's healthy.
Healthy, yes. Our
Yeah.
maintenance. Our maintenance. Very important.
Yeah, of course,
It is.
it is very important. I'm thinking about when we go in a supermarket,
Yeah.
uh, it's full of how we call this kind of food, the industrialized food, transformed. I don't know how you say that, productos transformados.
Frutos, ¿cómo es? Sí, no, transformando, así.
Industrial food, no, I don't know.
Que no sé cómo que en castellano, sí. Que están tratados, no sé qué. Que están ahí tratados. ¿No?
Sí, la comida ya está.
Procesada.
todo eso.
Procesado.
¿Cómo se dice?
Processed.
Processed.
Food. Processed. Es esto que te digo, ¿no? Processed. Processed food. Ahí está. Processed.
Ah,
Es esto que tú dices, ¿no?
Yeah, so
Processed.
the supermarkets
Yeah.
are full of processed
Processed.
food. Of course, you have some fruits, you have some vegetables,
Yes.
but
Even the tomatoes, right? Even the tomatoes.
even the tomatoes.
Even the tomatoes can be processed, right? Maybe it can.
Yeah. You mean
Well, tomatoes, here.
yeah, but even the healthy food,
Healthy.
healthy food like fruits, vegetables. Some are very transformed, processed. You know? So sometimes you think you buy a natural product,
Yeah.
and in reality, maybe is more the apparent.
No, ya, en
Appearance.
castellano ya lo sabía.
Natural, and even you say that the more product, the more natural food is processed,
Yeah.
you know, because we know the industry, how you call that? I don't know the word in English, but they produce some